And though I spy with my little eye something beginning with Christmas.
Hey guys, it's AGtv, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Victoria's Secret pink sweatshirt for your AG dolls. So to start off the DIY, you're going to need about a yard of black fabric. You can get it from Hobby Lobby or Michael's or even Walmart, depending on where you live. And you're going to need some white fabric. So first you're going to lay your fabric down and cut out a tank top shape thing. And you're going to cut out two of these, one for the front and one for the back. And this is like the main body part of the sweatshirt. So after cutting out my two tank tops, I'm going to cut out the sleeve holes, which I'm going to make two of those. So see you after that. Okay, so I finished with the armholes, but they're like, I know you're thinking they're as big as the torso, but I also have to fold them in half and do the extra stitching on them. So it's better to have more fabric left over than you have to add in more fabric and it looks kind of not good. Now I'm going to go ahead and sew together the torso and the torso, good side facing good side, and I'm just going to sew the tops together for now. So after you've sewn your two shoulders on the torso together, you're going to sew your two sleeves. So now that I'm done with that, you can see my stitch marks. I used white so you guys can see. I'm going to sew bad, so I'm going to flip this back out. So bad side to bad side, I'm going to sew the sleeves on. I'm going to turn them back to their bad side, sew them on, and then I'm going to sew the rest of the torso down and flip it inside out. One side down, yay! Okay, so now I'm done with both sides. I kind of messed up a little bit on this side, but I don't know how the actual sweatshirt looks, and I'm about to unfold it now. It looks pretty good, I think. Yeah, I mean, considering that this is like last minute, I was like, I kind of want my doll to have a pink sweatshirt, and then I decided to make one like 5 minutes later. Okay, so for the letters, you can either paint them on, tape them on, or sew them on. Okay guys, so I just literally spent the last hour on video showing how I made the letters on it and putting it on my doll, and literally my camera did not save the footage, so I am really mad right now, but here's the final product. Y'all also missed how I said that I hand sewed both the sweatshirt and the white Nike shorts, so that makes me like love the outfit even more. And that this time the back isn't open on the sweatshirt like it was when I made my Adidas sweatshirt. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a like and watch the rest of my Doll-A-Day series. Bye!